guys, we're now headed to the amazing sulfur sa Maiti. Come ride with me. Oh my gosh, so this is the Ling-ab Market. Remember in my video 2 years ago, was it 2 years ago or 3 years ago? I'm not so sure. 3 years ago, I guess, dinakad pa namin to, and it took us 2 hours from the Mangoto River. And look, easy peasy, easy peasy guys. Ang ganda dito. Oh my gosh, ang lapit lang. So, from here, we're gonna walk 15 minutes na lang. You need a pass. You need to ask a pass from the barangay hall to get here. And the entrance is 25 pesos. Na ng hike. Take off our mask. Kasi hindi magandang mag-mask pag exercise ka or something. Oh, into the wild, guys. Can you hear it, guys? I think this is it na. Oh my gosh. Here na, guys! Oh my gosh! So we are gonna climb up there. So nice, how nice it is up here from
Bring the funk back.
You know, guys, oh my gosh. It's weird.
Family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait. The family tree, part of you and part of me.
By the way, guys, ito lang yun, know. So this is I got this from Shopee. It's I think ano yun, from mainland China. So matagal-tagal yung shipping, around 1 to 2 weeks, I guess. And ito lang yun, oh. See? This is just my Sony, guys. So, wala pa tayong GoPro pa rin. May mga, ano kasi, mga babayarin pa. So, ito lang yun. It's just my Sony, di ba? Kasi, I always want to have this, like, parang underwater shot na yung photo sana. Pero ang hirap kasi photo. So, ano lang, parang sa video. And I think I'm just gonna get clips from it. Yun yung mga simpleng, ano natin, nagpapaligay sa atin. Diba? But, so, just seal it like that. There's triple seal. It's triple seal. Yes. And then, yan lang. And there. So, yan. That's it. Pwede na pang underwater. Super ano siya. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna find a spot now for lunch, guys. But they want to go to the tunnel. There's some other group who wants to go to the tunnel, and they didn't know where to go, so i-guide muna namin sila. We're gonna guide them, and then we're gonna off to we're gonna find a spot for lunch. So Sparks, Aquino, this is for you. I'm gonna take a video of the road. You sent me DM of the road. So from here, yun na yung maglalakad ka ng 15 minutes. So I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna take a video of the road here. So basically, ano lang, patag na siya dito. In this area, dito sana kami magka-camp, but sobrang delikado pa daw. Baka may NPA, you know? So medyo delikado na siya paggabi, and we don't know, baka may NPA na bababa or whatever, I don't know. So ayan, yan lang. Super nice, diba? Ang sarap mag-camp siguro dito. Wow. Yan. Mga tuta sa bukid. Ang lamig ng hangin. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Ang ganda siguro mag-camp dito, no? Medyo delikado pa daw. So, maniwala na lang tayo sa kanila. Ayan. Oy, nagte-tent sila, nagka-camping sila dyan. Uy, medyo delikado dyan, day. Huwag kayong mag-camping dyan. Ay, huwag na kayo matulog dyan. For, probably they're gonna stay. Ang lapad, pwede nga car camp. Ganda, di ba? Beautiful place. Ito lang yung mahirap na daan dito, sir. Ito lang yun. Ayan ako. And the rest is okay na. I mean, steep. That's what I mean. And ito lang yun. So yan lang. There's another one, I guess. Ayan. Balagay ko yung daan nito. But really nice. This one is like ito yung hirap-hirap. Ayan. It's a zigzag route. So hirap mag-drive with one hand. And other hand is holding the camera. Oh, pwede pala, may kapihan pala dyan, oh. May kapihan pala dito. Oh, maganda. May kapihan pala. Ay, kapihan. Ay, next time lang. Kapihan pala. Wow. So yan, may kapihan dun. And this is another one na medyo mahirap-hirap. Yung if going up. Mahirap-hirap going up. But carry naman, carry lang. Yeah, ang ganda. Mga duta sa bukid, ang lami ang hangin. Lol. Right. Yan. This one here. Tara. Yeah. Maganda low gear. Low gear, baby. Yeah. It's kind of steep here. It's very steep. Check your brakes. Make sure to check your brakes, guys. Alright. Yan. Smooth. Ito lang. Ito ay straight. Always, parang, oh, this one here. It's very steep. Parang continuous to eh. Continuous steep. Continuous yung pagkaka-steep niya. So, yan. There are people in Mango. Oh, there's a lot of people today swimming. Oh. Bikers and stuff. There's a lot of people today. So, this is the Mangoto River. Dito lang, Sir Sparks. So, yeah. It's our setup, guys. And by the river. Kain na tayo. We have leftover humba from last night. So, ayan. Abugman. Daming naliligo, guys. Banla muna tayo ng konti dito. Ayan, sa Mangoto River. Sa Mangoto River. Ang munyeka! Uy! Tos mo.
Alam muñeca, la luz de muñeca. Alam muñeca. Wow, maligo muñeca. Alam ka sexy muñeca.
Sexy dog.
Wow.
Wow. Aday.
Muñeca, oy. Yan, anay mo pala.
Barbies. Hi. How's the boys? How's sex? Oh my gosh, sino ang pinakamaganda? Ay, ito ang pinakamaganda.
The original.
Original. The original. The royalty.
The queen. Barbie there. The legendary.
And the legendary.
Say
Hi, the legendary. Oh, the legendary. Woo!
A family tree. separate. Go your own way. I won't wait.
Hi, so ngiti, oh my God. So we are here at our sa bahay. Dito sa labas ng bahay namin, and then ito sa auntie ko. We have some camp food left. So I decided to cook them for the kids here before we go back to the city. So ayan, that's what we're doing. We're cooking. I still have some spaghetti, so cooking some spaghetti, and run out of pasta. So I'm using this pasta here. So that's it. Want to eat spaghetti? Yes. So yeah, cooking spaghetti for them. The vlog. Ang itim ko, oh my God, grabe yung init kanina. It was too hot. Yes. Wanna be seen in the camera? You say hi. Hi. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to Katrina Kisel Vlogs. Subscribe. Okay, so we're back in Duma now, guys. Decided they wanted to have a McDo, but they're not allowed to get inside the store. So here's our view. Charan. Charap. Yan. Acha Park. Park side. And the McDo is just right there. O, diba?